I got these Aquarium bulbs, well, a light, right? And it has roughly 12 light LED bulbs on it. Hey everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm doing a maintenance, scheduled maintenance on the 73 point something. Let's run after 70, right? Got an aquarium which I built nearly a year ago, right? Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I am not too liking the whole idea of LED, right? You notice these three not working, right? So although it says flexible bubble one LED light, that's Aquarium, it has a tendency without even warning, and sometimes it's flexible. You bend it around just like how you would actually bend this one around, right? And you have the lighting, right? Water have just been changed, so therefore the water kind of look a little bit cloudy and a little bit dark. It will take a while for circulation to actually clear up everything else, and it looks crystal clear. But that's not the emphasis of today's video. Today's video is about the Aquarium LED Bubble Wand, right? This is a 12-inch white LED lighting, right? This one is okay. I have one at the back that is 4 LED light. This one is 12. Also, this one is 12. So you can see that a lot of investment have been made in actually making these LED light work on this aquarium, and it has actually worked good so far. The problem is that, you know, after a while, the LED bulb, unlike, you know, you would have the normal light thing in your aquarium that is at the top of the cover, the lid. This one doesn't have it. The light is actually inside the aquarium itself, and after a while the LED bulb goes bad, and there are no way, or should I say there's no way in which you can actually replace them. So eventually what will happen is that these LED lights will actually go one by one by one. Another thing I found is that in using the bubble one, like for example here where you see the light is actually penetrating on the rock, right? This aquarium is maintained once every 4 to 5 weeks. So what will happen is that every 4 to 5 weeks, the rocks that are placed here, or the rock that is placed within the close proximity of the light, regardless of the lighting of the entire room, this rock will be a little bit well, so in some cases it's a lot. It's covered with algae. So in maintaining this aquarium, I have to ensure that I actually remove the rock that is right beside the rocks that are right beside the aquarium bubble one, and actually do extra cleaning on it, right? So this is, well, these are the two of the negative that is associated with aquarium bubble one, flexible bubble one, right? It's flexible, but in actually moving it, you know, allowing the curves of the aquarium to be well lit, right? What you find is that you know, periodically you might end up damage the wires in it. So what will happen is that it will no longer work. It is hope that you actually appreciate this video. Thank you very much for stopping by, guys. Catch you next time. I'll give you more updates on the fish and the tank in subsequent videos. Bye bye for now. Peace out.